thinking about getting a Shark blow dryer, this is your sign to go ahead and get it. I don't have a lot of time to go through all of the attachments because I do have to get ready for a client and I have to go to the grocery store and start preparing Super Bowl food. But this side are already done. And this is what I'm working with. Other side. I had to take a break. This is hard work. This ain't easy. Let me know in the comments below what products have you guys used for your hair to calm frizz, kinkiness, because I love to try new products. Whether it's a cheap brand, expensive brand, let me know in the comments below, okay? Let's finish. Every time I use the Shark on my hair, I'm completely in shock with the results of this high-powered, extravagant hair tool. I got mine on the website, but they also sell it at Ulta.